Alright, guys. Watch how the three amigos get this stuff. Y'all see him. Come on, Dash. Alright, y'all see him. Y'all see him. Get down. Get down. Alright, guys, y'all seen it. Y'all seen them. Y'all seen them eat their little treats. See how they catch it? See how smart they are? They catch it like that. That's part of a mukbang. Now, if she comes back, there's going to be another part of a mukbang. So I'm going to put you guys on hold for a minute till she comes back with that chicken. Just like that. Hold on. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, and ring that notification bell. Do not forget about the $400 cash giveaway at 2,000 subscribers. Guys, get that money. Hold on. There you go. There you go. And here you go. There you go. Here you go. And here you go. I bet y'all was up too close to the camera. Alright, guys. Anyway. That's in this video. Just like that. Y'all see the pitties. Y'all see the little bad boys. These are all my boys. The girls upstairs. These are all my boys. Look at them boys. And like I said, Becky's being sold. We will no longer have Becky in the house. I'm selling Becky. I'm tired of fucking with Becky. So guys, you see Becky, you won't see her no more. Of course, you know what Venus is. You see Venus? Ooh, look at Vivi. Y'all see Venus. That's Venus right there. Move, boy. Look at there. Y'all see Venus? Now that's that is a freaking motorcycle, guys. You see him? Oh. Let's Max. Sniff for the ground. We're all done with the oil changes and all that, guys. Just like that, this video's over.